Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate global entry savings with eligible cards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate global entry savings with eligible cards, begin by checking if your credit card offers the benefit. Log into your credit card account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the rewards or benefits section of your account. Look for information related to travel benefits, specifically global entry or TSA PreCheck. Next, confirm the terms and conditions associated with this benefit. If your card is eligible, you may see a link or button to activate the global entry reimbursement. Click on that activation link to proceed. You might need to complete a form providing some personal information. Make sure to enter your global entry application number if prompted. After submitting the activation request, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep this email for your records as it may be necessary for reimbursement. Now, proceed to apply for global entry through the official Trusted Traveler Program's website. Fill out the application form with accurate personal details. Pay the application fee using the same eligible credit card. Once your application is approved, schedule your interview at a global entry enrollment center. Remember to bring the necessary documents to your interview. After your successful interview, you will receive your global entry approval. Once you have incurred the application fee, upload the receipt to your credit card processing system as instructed. Your card issuer will review your submission for reimbursement eligibility. Expect the reimbursement to be credited back to your account within a few billing cycles. That's how to activate global entry savings with eligible cards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.